In this video, let's understand how we can add a new column in a table. Currently, I have this employee data table and we have 5 columns in this. We have ID, employee name, email, salary, and is permanent. Let's say I want to add one more column, that is date of joining. To add this column to our table, we need to use alter table command. So I need to say alter table and I need to specify the table name here, and then I need to give the column which I want to add. So that I need to specify using the add keyword. So I need to add date of joining, right? So this column I want to add, and the type of this column should be date time, right? Let's execute this. You can see command has been completed. Now if you select star from employee data, you can notice we have this date of joining here. But currently if you see date of joining is null here. Let's see how we can give a default value to our date of joining. Let's do one thing. Let's drop this column and add it back with some default value. To drop a column, we need to again use alter table command. And again, I need to specify employee data as my table name. And then I need to say drop column and the column name that I want to drop. Okay, let's execute this. Now, if you do select again on this table, you can notice we again have the 5 column. Date of joining has been dropped. Now let's add this column back, but this time I also want to specify some default value. Let's say I want to give the default values as today's date. So the today's date will be the date of joining. While adding this column, you can say constraint, and let's give a constraint name. I need to give a default value. So let's say default date of joining, right? And this is a default constraint. So let's say default here, and the default value that I want to give. So let's say default value will be today's date. So today's date is 2025 November 15, right? And let's say with values, and execute this. Command has been executed. Now let's do select star from employee data. You can see now this time we have added a new column, but this time we also have some default value against our new column.